In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailerlite email automation sequence. First, log into Mailerlite and go to the automation section from the left-hand menu. Once you're there, click Create Workflow or New Automation to begin. You can either start from scratch or choose a template if one fits your goal. After that, give your automation a clear name. For example, you might call it Welcome Email Sequence. Using a descriptive name makes it easier to find and manage later, especially if you build multiple automations. Next, set the trigger that will start the sequence. For a simple welcome series, choose Joins a Group. Then select the group that should trigger the automation, such as a new subscriber group, and click Save. Mailerlite also offers other trigger options like form completions, link clicks, updated fields, joining a segment, or an exact date. But for a basic sequence, joining a group is a great starting point. Now it's time to create your first email. Click the plus icon underneath the trigger and select Send Email. Enter your email subject, then add your sender name and sender email address. After that, click Design Email. Choose the editor or template you want to use, create your first email, and when you're finished, click Done Editing. A common first message might be a welcome email with a subject like, Welcome, here's what you can expect. After the first email, add a delay so subscribers don't receive everything at once. Click the plus icon after the email, select Delay, choose how long to wait, and save it. For example, you might set a delay of 1 day. Delays help space out your communication and make the sequence feel more natural. Then add your second email. Click the plus icon after the delay, choose Send Email, enter the subject and sender information, and click Design Email. Create the second email, then click Done Editing. The second message could share helpful tips with a subject like 3 tips to help you get started. From there, continue building the rest of the sequence by adding another delay, then another send email step, and repeating the process for each message you want to include. A simple structure could look like trigger, email 1, delay 1 day, email 2, delay 2 days, email 3, and so on. Before going live, review the full automation carefully. Check the order of each step, review every email, confirm your delays, make sure the right group or trigger is selected, test your links and buttons, and verify your sender details. Once everything looks correct, click Activate in the top right corner. If Mailerlite shows any incomplete steps, finish them first, then confirm activation. After that, your automation sequence is live.